softly speaking of the ways of ancient law. While their wisdom is well founded, though their mind so crystal clear, with the warnings loudly sounding, righteous mind refuse to hear. Well, they fortify their homes now with guns of every kind. To the visions that they're preaching, they themselves are mostly blind. Well, the second gives you rights now, weapons just a tool, and the wonder why the children are taking guns to school. Yeah, they glorify the killing and they praise their arts of war, and wonder why the children bury God for law. Yes, they speak of hard-won freedoms while the peasants' hands they tie, boasting wildly their opinions of why so many die, and it never seems to dawn on